So literally walk from that side.
Yeah.
And come
So
in.
what we do is, guys, I normally do like a nature walk, a river walk
Yeah.
with guests. When I have the time,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll cross the river, go up, and then follow the trail.
Quite here.
And follow the trail up, and then when the trail kind of come back down to the river, we'll go in the river and walk up.
I walk up the stream there.
Yeah. Go up as far as you want.
Okay, okay.
Like a dam up the top.
Yeah.
Now there's a waterfall like this.
This is nice. So this is on your website?
There are some
Footage of this? That is neat for there, nah lie. The African Embrace.
Guess who died? That is me. Okay guys, outfit of the day. Dressed by yours truly, Mongo. So this is one of my favorite type of shoe. I love it all the time. My favorite. So stepping out guys, and my new necklace. I love it. Infinity. Yes. Out of 10, let me know what you think. So
look at this. You know, it could be a view up here, so I see it here. Look at this. Imagine you have a seated here up here, so they can chill. This is top class with the view. I was talking about the hill. The first I've seen one looking like this, like it's literally going up like this, and we are literally high already. Yeah.
he's telling Rasta. He's telling me you're cheating on me.
No.
Never. Rastas don't cheat. Nice to see you, my father.
Rasta not cheat, no time at all.
Cheat.
Man, because
Never.
So I go on for me now.
yeah, we are going for him now.
Remember me thing.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Rasta man.
How are you doing?
See your Empress, yeah.
Wait, kid, don't
Come now,
worry.
Rasta man. See your Empress there.
You have 1,000 followers?
She finally find the Rasta man. Finally find the Rasta man. Yeah man, you know she dey have to buy you a drink. Your Empress have to buy you a drink.
3, 4,
5 and 5. 1,000.
Say hello to my people. They missed you. They were asking me, D, where is the Rasta man?
Enough money.
Guys, my Rasta man, you're the best, you know, and I love you so much. Yeah? Happy New Year. Go buy a drink, okay? Tell my people we're still good.
Huh?
Tell them we're still good together. They thought we broke up.
No, we don't break up. We're always good.
We were meant to be forever. No.
All the while.
All the while.
Alright, Rasta man.
Alright,
She finally find the Rasta
okay,
man.
see you later, okay?
Alright.
Yeah.
She finally find the Rasta man.
I love my
Finally
Rasta
find the
man so much, you guys, of course. I had to buy
taking
him
him to the
something, you know? Hello, you good? Nice to see you. See you later. It's all about love.
You race it to drive this way?
Yes, we drive now. Let's go to the ship.
Finally, you know so much.
Hi. We eat. So let's go out and see each other. Of course, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you're missing out so much. Go follow me. D1O some nice pictures, updates, and also follow out Kino Life in Jamaica on Instagram. You can easily reach us there also.
And the Kino life in Jamaica. Kino.
Instagram.
Yes,
underscore
Life underscore
Jamaica.
in Jamaica.
Alright, peeps, let's keep driving. Let's see what's what I'm going.
Alright. D is directed me. Where you going? Come back out in the ocean.
You don't trust me.
No, because we're gonna come out by the drugstore and the gas station. Pure traffic. Yo guys, we stop. And Lee said she wanna get Devon House ice cream. So you know she's not in Kingston to get any. So we're here in St. Anne's Bay. So these are Devon House in St. Anne's. So she wanna get Devon House ice cream.
Is it here or you just take it here? I want
Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm.
they look good.
How big? I'm joking, come. Pure traffic. Yo guys, we stop. And Lee said she wanna get Devon House ice cream. So you know she's not in Kingston to get any. So we're here in St. Anne's Bay.
Just want to take a picture right here.
So these are Devon House in St. Anne's. So she wanna get Devon House ice cream.
Instagram time. Wait. I have to fix myself.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, it's so big, kiddo.
I ordered for you already.
Oh, you already ordered? Oh, this is a deco. Kiddo wants to trick me, guys. Look at that. Guys, you see what Kiddo is doing? Kiddo, you are the worst. I was so happy, I was like, whoa. But it looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it.
It's cool, but
So today I'll be giving them a rate because I think it's really, really loved and you guys highly recommend. So today I'm gonna know what they
put
think.
it back there.
Heck, you know, you did me dirty, boy. Yeah. So this is Devon House.
So you have single cone, double cone, 10 ounce, oh sorry, 3 ounce cup, 10 ounce cup, right? So you have quart, milkshake, waffle cone, scoop sundae.
Okay.
You have what's the name? Is it dragon stout? You it's soft. Dragon stout, soft.
What's the best flavor here, please?
Oh, all of them have their plans.
Oh,
Crunchy munch is a good one.
Yeah, crunchy
Coffee is a
munchy.
good one. Coconut is a good one.
Hey, coconut. The moment you mention coconut, that's it.
Oh,
Maybe
no,
what?
I didn't think so.
Oh, so bad.
Yeah, crunchy munchie. Which one is the crunchy munchie?
I just feel like tasting all of them to know what's one. Because my people have been telling me to
Can you get
try.
2 samples?
Yes, you can. I will have to put both samples on one stick.
Oh, okay. What, 3 samples?
No, would you like to pay?
Matriya says sample. I was wondering, could I get the free sample?
Sure, of course. You can get 2 free samples. Go try the Devon Stout. Not Stout, sorry.
No.
Would you like that one?
Yeah, I want to get the free sample.
They can try the
Chunky monkey.
grape nuts and Roman raisin.
I want a free unit because them say free this I give you, I'm in the front of the line, so I want to get the free sample please.
I will have
So you can get
cookies and cream cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake.
free sample too?
The cookies, they taste so good. Let me try
Yes,
them.
this one is nice.
How much for
And they are fresh. $1,000 for this one, $800 for this one, $550 for these.
Let me. They normally say good. Pricey is good quality.
What?
Like they say, the more something is expensive, the more it's good. So let me try
it's
the
nice.
1001.
Raj, she want one of these here?
The free sample one, please.
You know it's free sample.
And them say anything you want in this world, anything free, you must be dumb.
Dumb.
Yes, that's them called freedom. I like my friend. Yeah.
She wants another Oreo cheesecake.
Yeah, one of that. And Anish.
So guys, only in Jamaica you can get free sample.
It's
Nowhere else. Yeah. Right?
Miss, don't follow me now?
Oh, but the cream.
not, guys.
I guess the cream is free. Free sample. Let me get a free sample of the chunky monkey, please.
Crunchy munchy.
Crunchy monkey. No, but listen, we got chunky monkey. You know that one, right?
But
Ben and Jerry's.
Jamaica is crunchy munchy. You can get 2 samples on one stick.
Oh, is that it?
Yes. So make sure you try
I keep a mouthful.
Roman raisin.
A mouthful.
Make sure you try Roman raisin.
Yeah.
Make sure you put the Roman
You
raisin
know,
on it.
just keep packaging for us.
Oh, I swear.
You know, touch
Tell
it
us to
with
put your
some
Roman raisin
alcohol.
Yeah, me think I want big cup me I get for sample. Why could I get a big cup?
You know, it's a big cup for
Of course, why
someone.
not a big cup?
But at least they're giving you that.
Yes, I'm trying this small spoon.
Me too, let me try.
That one is good. Try the Roman raisin
That's for
first.
sure that Devon House is the best. They do this nowhere else, only in Jamaica.
Get your
Look at man. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see.
I'm a YouTuber, they were telling me to come try the ice cream for the longest.
Devon House.
Wow.
Try
It's
the
not
Roman
too
raisin.
sugary, it's so good.
It's on. It's good.
Now I'm tempted to get everything.
So I was gonna get something bigger for free, even the 3 ounce for free. You know, but this is good. Hey, you got Chunky Monkey, that's like Ben and Jerry.
But everything is in Jamaica is always the best.
The best.
Yes.
Not denying that.
Yes. So
But
that's
you know,
why.
Devon House,
Alright.
you really have a good name out
Chunky monkey
Mhm.
is the camouflage for crunchy munchy.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's what she
Yes.
said. That's what she says. That's what. So listen, can I get a sample of the Oreo cake here? No sample.
Yes, you can get a sample when she's eating hers.
What about the free sample, not the buy sample? Hers.
So let's do, can I get each one of it?
Each,
That would be, let me see.
each one of them,
That would be 2 quarts.
2 quarts. So the quarts, that is too big.
You forget, you ever get all the flavor them, you ever get 1, 2, 3, 4 in one and 1, 2, 3, 4 in one.
That is a lot.
Okay, I'll just be doing bit by bit. Today, let me just have 2 flavors.
That would be
Next time I
waffle
come-
cone.
Waffle cone,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Oh, the
yeah.
waffle cone is nice. Let's get on 1 waffle cone.
Not two.
Bye-bye. I'll see ya.
Two.
No, I mean like one. I don't want any.
You don't want any?
No, I want to eat first. So let's get hers only, please.
It's just a waffle cone.
Yeah,
You can mix 2 flavors at once?
yeah,
Sure. Okay, thank you.
Your total of 1,550.
yeah. Don't think it's a little bit, you know, it's a lot of ice cream. It's a lot of ice cream, you know.
It's 2,550.
Yeah.
Much.
That's what I told you. It's a
Because
lot.
normally they sell like some small little.
Small thing. This is
Yeah.
That's a lot of ice cream.
Whoa, guys! I never expected this. This is so much. This is so big. I've never been anywhere that they sell so much ice cream like this at a go. So this is 1,000.
One corner. $1,550. $1,550.
1,500 and. Ooh.
Yeah. So you have to eat.
Wow. Tastes so good, but it's too big.
I told you it's a lot.
Wow. Okay, guys. I can say they have the best ice cream in Jamaica. Wow. Wow. And the portions are so big and large. You guys have been asking me to come here for the longest, so today is the day. Although I'm not a big fan of this because I don't really get fat because the dumplings are already doing the thing. But just for you guys, but it's really good. I think I'll be trying once a week ice cream day. Awesome. Best ice cream in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so
Give thanks.
You can check my YouTube channel too as well when you go home. Let me show you. I don't know if you disconnected already. I can show you. Oh, let me show you. Then you'll see this review.
Where's the little basket? So we have to go all the way up there, Dee. Mongo. So you know we're gonna cook a little. We're gonna cook up some black bean cricket. There's no right plantain. You have seasoning, right?
I have everything. All this.
We got plantain, ripe one.
Plantain, no. Right one.
I need ripe one.
Onions.
You got all of that.
Those ones, yeah.
Okay, you got the coconut powder already.
Yeah.
You got okra. Come, okra. We need okra. Okra. Pumpkin. You got pumpkin.
No. You said you're going to bring someone to carry.
Yeah, he said it's all the way. All the way.
You could just bring this big one.
Which one?
This one. Because I also need water. Drinking water. You know, look at how this is expensive. 763. I tell you, being a farmer in Jamaica is a whole heap of money. I can't wait to be a farmer.
So, let me go get the.
Oh guys, me what I'll do in Jamaica is to be a farmer. This is 750 Jamaican dollars. Wow, I can't wait to be a farmer in Jamaica.
No, those no good.
They're not good?
No, they are just the sparkling.
Oh.
They're not the original champagne. Water, where's the water?
Also, I need a comb because I want to wash my hair. I haven't washed my hair yet.
Comb?
Yeah. I haven't washed it because I had none.
You got carrot?
Yeah. Oh, Kino. What about the bleach that you told me for the toilet? I really hate that man so much.
Those retail bleach normally is people that sells it. You don't really see it in the supermarket.
Oh, I think I need some powder also. My is almost done.
This trolley is moving a bit.
So this is for my laundry. Also for my laundry.
Trolley is no good.
Yeah, it's not good.
Look. Let me see, bleach. Clorox bleach.
It can bleach for real?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, let me see which one.
White and
deep
deep
cleanse.
cleanse.
Let me see this one. Ajax. So Ajax will be the better one. So
Which is the best? That will bleach completely. No?
as I'm say, you have people sell the raw bleach.
Yeah, the raw bleach.
Yeah.
That's the best.
But it's not going to sell inside here. It's one of these ones. So you can buy this one and try it still. You get this one and try it. You got gloves?
Gloves?
Yeah. So when you're cleaning it.
Let me just buy one. But I have a brush.
And you still need a gloves.
Pores everywhere.
But normally you have a stain remover where you can spray on it as well.
And the bathroom freshener.
Bathroom freshener. Febreze.
Lavender. Any lavender?
This one smells good.
That
No.
smells good.
Peach.
There's no lavender. Oh, lavender is my best.
You like lavender?
Yeah, so much. Lavender is my favorite.
That's not lavender.
It's lavender.
No, that's Glade.
Look,
Okay.
lavender. So good.
I think Febreze is much better.
Than lavender?
Yeah. Febreze is the best. Oh, smell this. See this.
Okay.
This is a morning view. The peach. Honey.
What happens when now you have a house and you have to keep everything clean?
But as what I was saying, Dee. As what I was saying.
And that's
You work here?
Yeah.
Where's the thing that you spray in the bathroom to remove stain? There's a spray like a lime scale or something like this. OxyClean. It's something like this.
check this section.
Yeah. So this now you just spray it. Plus 4 mil. So it's something like this you're gonna need to spray on it.
But I think the bleach will remove it.
Yeah, not only bleach. I think this, you have to spray this, run it first and let it stay. Then you can also use your bleach as well.
We don't have a small one because I think this is so big.
Cleaner plus bleach.
So we turn the other one and go with it.
This one?
I don't know. I just need something to remove that stain.
Yeah. Well, hopefully that can remove the stain. Because we don't know what type of stain is that, how thick is that stain. Some people they use acid to clean it.
Like in Jamaica, it's so expensive.
Look, so this one is bright toilet bowl, bowl cleaner, remove rust and mineral stains.
Okay, then I think this could be much better.
This one.
Okay, let's go try. Because honestly, there's nothing that pisses me off like a stainy toilet bowl. That's like trash. I don't like it at all.
D.
Sorry.
What the hell? Do you want to blind me?
Because by mistake, guys.
You put that in. You got rice?
No, we need more rice.
No, what's wrong with these strawberries? Two or one?
Yeah, one finished so quickly. One finishes so quickly. Actually, I should even have 3.
This is no good. Surely I want to fix. You have to take up the bit. Brown?
Yeah. Okay, take the white then. Take 2.
2?
So that I don't need to come back and forth to shop. You know these things? I don't like going to shop all the time. Like if I shop this one, this is not the best. That's the best.
Yeah, jasmine. Green bag.
Okay. Do you think this will finish a month?
A month? How often you cooking?
I think I need one.
How often you cooking?
So that I don't need to come back to shop. Because you know this, like today if we're cooking, we cook all of it.
No, not necessarily, not all of it.
Yeah, but I don't want to come back and
You got
forth.
butter?
No.
Cooking butter?
I have one piece, but I think we need one more.
Oh, so I guess it's all the way back there. Oh, the black beans.
This thing is bad.
I know.
No good.
Black beans. Where did I get the beans the last time?
The beans?
Was it here? No.
This is not.
This next one. This is no good. Chicken.
Yeah.
Roll. You know who tell me about guess who brought me to this store first?
Oliver, Uncle Oliver.
And Carla.
I also need some cooking oil because I have all my because of the chapatis. I use the only simply natural. You know when it's too cold, it gets back to white like coconut. So this one is original for real. Guys, you have to eat healthy because health is wealth, you know? Even for the cooking oil, you try and buy the best. sure.
Sorry.
Matcha and the box juice, the pineapple box juice.
You have to reverse in this trolley is no good, so you have to reverse. You have to be reversing because this trolley is no good. I think this this look like the Express. We have to stay in this one. Huh? I was just saying that because it's only single items and seen in the hand, so I was wondering. Is this Express lane? Is this Express? Yeah? Express. So we can join that one. Let me go get the butter.
I'll just leave it here, just keep going.
It's the butter and the juice.
The box juice, the pineapple.
What's the one that you want? Okay. Good? Any money? Any money?
No, just drop them body from down.
Receipt.
Yeah, man, yo, man, I don't want to
Can I just give me if I will mind?
Yeah.
Forgetting I grew up in the countryside. I used to carry 40 liters of water, 20 on both hands. And that time,
All man start building. So when them start building, I have no access to the river. Okay. Wow. We here at the hidden gem. This is a hidden gem, hidden river, hidden where we've been hidden right now. We discover this. This river got no name.
The river?
Yeah, it's got no name. Great St. Andrew.
Okay. Yeah, people speed. It's been like so long, you have to grease it.
Easy
It's been closed for so long. Oh. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, let me say you have this show on here, man.
Alright.
The kids them are going to swim.
Now they play night.
So this is the same river. We run all the way down there to the end where I was. This deep? Up there so deep?
You can jump right to the water, cascading.
Beautiful river this morning. First we have to this. Look at this. Yesterday I was talking about this guy with this, the hidden river. Look, just discover this hidden river. Well, I just found it. Look. This is a gem. This is a gem. Guys, I have to go up and check this out. I have to go and check this out. Got this fall and everything. Yeah. Oh. Then?
Right, that's right to the water, cascading.
Yeah. Like my eyes are deeper than that. Yeah.
Like right now at the water.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't jump out of that, you jump closer to the water.
Yeah.
And that's kind of better.
Yeah. Yes, the more I go up more. Hey. The little boy I see them. So I'm literally walk from that side. And come
So
here.
what we do is, guys, I normally do like a nature walk, a river walk
Yeah.
with guests when I have the time. And we'll cross the river, go up, and then follow the trail. You can follow the trail up, and then when the trail kind of come back down to the river, we'll go in the river and walk up.
I walk up the stream there.
Yeah, go up as far as you want to go.
Okay.
Like a dam up the top,
Yeah.
not a little waterfall like this.
This is nice. So this is on your website?
There are some
Footage of this? That is neat for there, nah lie. But definitely me and D will be coming around here.
And rope swing and all.
And rope swing. She will be surprised when she see this. Kids them enjoying themselves and thing. So right there, so it's a deep part. White. Yeah, come check it out, man, definitely. But they must stand up. No, him not stand up.
Yeah, so.
He just a dip and come up. So they must swim from early. Yeah.
Just thinking about it.
I'm really all nice. This is a hidden gem, and this run from all the way where you say the river name?
Great St. Anne River.
Great St. Anne River. All the way. So how far is it coming from?
This coming from almost, you're going towards St. Catherine,
water from there.
Okay. Coming from far. Water blue and pretty. No,
Because we've been having rain, it kind of still look murky.
yeah, yeah.
But if we have like 2 or 3 days without rain, you'll be surprised.
Clear like this. Clear. This is nice.
Yeah. Down up on the store.
Yeah. Yeah, come test out this tomorrow. Definitely, I come test this out, guys. Look here.
Nice.
You can see them do this very regularly. Very regular. You know, to see them. Yeah, I'm telling you. Guys, I'm definitely coming to check out this river. You know already. You know, because we're going to go on the road with Randy. If it wasn't, I'm telling you. Really, thank you so much for showing us this river.
Yeah, man. Every time.
We'll be definitely checking this out. Definitely. A backflip. Guys, how wonderful is this? Look at that. Just find a hidden gem where we're staying. You know? So we're gonna walk come here with Demo and go on shore. Look how beautiful is this. Tell you, Jamaica full of so many rivers. So many rivers. So many. This is so nice. This is so nice, you know. So nice. I know what you love cook on river, you know. Look at this. Wow. Whoa. So this gate is gonna be closed, right?
Yeah, man. When you're ready, just
Come to you for the key. Alright. So we get special access. We don't have to walk all the way around once you're booked in this gated community. You can literally come around here from where you're staying. You know, and this community, as I tell you, it's so wonderful. The nature with it. They come with a lot of nature vibes, you know. This is the first one that I've been to, and it's got so much nature activity going on. Everything. You got jelly tree, almond tree, coconut tree. Look at this big almond tree. You know, this is so big. We got so many trees, so many things going on around here, you know. It's very cool. And you got some big breadfruit tree as well. You have avocado tree, banana tree, you name all the trees them. Around here is full of so much nature vibes. And I guess them said this was the first gated community ever built. You know, it was the first one ever built. That's why it's got this more nature vibes, you know. They never built it on an open land. It was always a green forest like this, like country feel, you know. The person who's gonna get this lot right here, so trust me, they get in the gold mine. Just step out the house and walk right in there. Yep. Right in there. That's always a dream to live so close to one.
Even these, even. Yes, guys. So we're back now. We're at the tree houses, and now we have another tree house that's being constructed. You know, wonderful tree houses. Look at this. This is all the tree woods. That's what it's been for. But look, oh wait, I'm going up. Imagine. Yeah. On the rooftop. Shingles. What is his name again? Shingles?
Yeah, but not single match.
Imagine there's a view like this. Oh. Wow. Listen. I like. Look at this. You know if a bit of view up here, so. A seated area. Look at this. Imagine you have a seated area up here, so we can chill. Yeah. This is top class. With the view. I was talking about the hill. The first I've seen one looking like this. Like it's literally going up like this, and we are literally high already. So it's like it have a up going like that, you know. I need to fly my drone and go up there to see what it look like.
Have the range.
Yeah, man, it have the range. Yeah, man. You can go all the way up there and come back. I was saying it yesterday, but I never get the chance to do it. I meant to do it this morning, but we get up late.
That's the great St. Anne Mountain.
St. Anne Mountain.
Yep.
St.
And
Anne.
it has a similarity with Blue Mountains.
Yeah.
Because why the Blue Mountain appears blue
Yeah.
is you have a plant called a tree called the yucca.
The Yaka.
Right. So you have the Blue Mountain yucca.
Oh.
It gives off a blue hue.
Okay.
And so from a distance the green actually appears blue.
So I can
And
see.
it appears in these mountains as well.
Yeah. So I can see the cloud now is on top of the mountains.
Right.
No, is that a house up there on top of the mountains right there? And there's another one there. That's a long way to get up there. That's a long way. And you drive from the same direction out to get up there?
You can either go, there's a road that goes all the way through. You know, them are own back the road. Forgot to Limehouse.
To the banana or right back.
We'll go back to Limehouse. Higgintown. Yeah. Because Andrew Sam said the lots up there, so you know, cut land go all the way through.
You drive on it?
Jackson go far away and I go way up back to New Ground.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This go all the way up through. So all of them go all the way up is Sam's land.
Okay. Okay. So you wasn't thinking about building a chill out up here so we can get out of this view, taking this view. No.
I'm up behind a tree.
Yeah.
And a leather step.
With a leather step, something, you know?
Yeah.
I'd knock off the top of the house then. What happens is that on the balcony, from the balcony, if you look in front of, if you look that way, you can actually see that little opening.
Yeah, your opening is right there.
Hello.
Yes.
How are you?
Good.
And now you look like the African princess. The Empress.
The Empress.
You can't reach up here, so we'd have to show you when we come down.
Yeah. Oh, she never have one that you reach up here. Remember she grew up in the village, you know?
Yeah.
Eh?
In
Countryside.
In
The
our
countryside. You grew up in the countryside, in the village.
So what's wrong?
That's what I tell him, say, you can climb it.
I can climb up here.
Yeah, that's nothing for you.
Them climbing shoes.
Yeah, not in this shoe.
But not in those shoes. She's a ninja. A ninja. Looking like a real empress.
I just need to go do my hair now.
Now?
This guy.
Yeah, I'm not coming back.
Empress, I love this view, I'm not lying. Nah, I really like that view. So we call this on shingles. What is his name again?
Man, this is fair. That shingle is.
Oh, 5 o'clock shingle. So you use this now for push on it.
Yeah. See the fly.
So with this now, no water can get in.
Water resistant.
So out of this are concrete or zinc roofing, which is the best?
Whereas when you put up the concrete and have to look up there again,
Mm-hmm.
you have to maintain these roofs.
But these you have to maintain them.
And same as you have 20-year guarantee, you don't have to give yourself that.
This one?
Yeah, the shingle.
So you roughly give over 15 years.
Yeah.
But the concrete now, you know, so you don't have to look back.
Everlasting, yeah.
Once them deck it right, you don't have to look back.
Maybe after a while, they're going to have to get a little pavement rendering, you know?
Through the water.
Yeah.
The water will
And
soak you.
Yeah.
But with this now, what would be the damage? Why you have to keep servicing? Is it the shingles?
Yeah, because them fell off after the rain and the sun.
After 20 years.
After you get old, them start to,
Okay, so you have to change them back over again.
Yeah. Because it's like a fiberglass and a next piece of material, you know. So after a while, the fiberglass get shelled off.
Shell up because
and
show
the
the
material alone.
water and the sun.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
We done similar to sandash.
Sandash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's fiberglass and a material. So after a while, it can.
Yeah.
You feel it kind of grainy.
Grainy.
Kind of
So the grain can come out by the water and the...
After a while, you know, it have to take a while. After a long while, you expose to the sun and the rain, then it start to give way, you know.
Give way.
Yeah.
So you have to beat all over back again.
Well, both of them might not stay the same way, at the same time.
But where the leakage is, you have just changing.
It cannot leak neither, you know. Yeah, but it does have a different looks, you know. Losing texture and things like that, you know.
Yeah.
If you look on your start, I see some of them have two different shades.
Yeah, with them house.
Yeah.
Is that the same thing on them?
Yeah, man.
Same shingles,
Yeah.
right? So and how many years them house are gonna have? When the 90s is coming to build up, right?
Yeah, long time. Them guys, you know, them was the great train robber in America, you know.
Oh,
The investors
the investors.
Yeah, they have this scheme.
Oh, the great
Shams and Muffy Santi and Rick and all them man there.
Cause me hear about them, the great
Yeah,
train robbers.
the great robbers, yeah.
Okay.
So them place, them come and one know one Ras and two more them hide out mostly on the mountain and buy property.
Okay.
They hide out in the mountain. So after a while now, you know, them investments start to flow.
Okay.
Settle down and start to loom large, you know.
Yes.
And so these houses when built by some of them guys that don't know where them land, but them just keep investing, you know. Yeah, them guys are some pioneers.
So them are the secret this society people, the shadow people there.
Yeah.
So them have them generation to deal with this.
Yeah man. Yeah man.
But maybe true this was the first one, but out of all the gated communities, I like this one because of the nature that surround it.
Yeah,
you know, most gated community, you don't have so many trees and then thing.
A concrete jungle.
A pure concrete jungle.
Well, if you even notice the name of this man, it named Village Green. Yeah, so the village is a green thing. You can look around and see the green.
Greenness of it, you know.
Yeah, fruit tree and all them things.
Everything is here. With the other rest of
you get a more wider span of land comparing to the one them are selling now.
Yes, it's be a concrete jungle, man.
Yeah.
You have to just stay inside whenever sun come out. There's no shade. There's no shade. But with this, run here always cool and everything called through.
Yeah, and them have certain requirements towards the premises. You can't to plant certain trees.
Run here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can't build your fencing too high.
Too high.
And you can't even, I tell you one thing, you can't go upstairs on these houses.
Yeah, that's what I noticed. You cannot go upstairs.
Yeah, so them have
requirements.
divide and rules.
Yeah. Keep it all on one level.
Yeah.
On one.
But how can I buy a piece of land? How can I buy a piece of land? I call it my own. I need to done my own.
What you want to get done.
Yeah, and then people come telling me what to do on my premises. You know?
So you still not own your land?
No, them say we are not land owner, you know, we are holder.
Holder,
land holder.
That is true.
Yeah,
because you cannot buy a piece of land and they're gonna tell you how to build and what to build.
Yeah.
But I guess over here is different because it build up free money.
Yeah.
And around there so I guess they have a procedure we have to go through.
2 phases because down there so is what them build and lay out them regulation towards. But up here so now they must buy these land and build them out individually. So two different
I understand,
segments,
yeah. Up here more seems like a byland car, it's separate for true.
Yeah.
As you can see down there is It's the different life from up here. Makes sense.
But like after them build a certain amount of houses, you just cut off a piece of land.
Just like we have same land on the side there as well too, like it was just there. Yeah, it makes sense. Great. I like the work when I do, you know.
Yeah,
very
man.
talented.
Our artists, you know.
Yes. So you can build concrete house too.
Yes, man, and that we specialize in, you know.
Concrete. Yeah.
And that me specializing about my part now is a half farm, man. So yeah. Just being with the wind, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes here and sometimes.
So how many house you build by yourself, like concrete?
Many houses, man. Many houses. Start them from foundation and carry them right up to finishing.
But you must keep photos of them, you know, legacy, so you can show people a gallery of all the houses them that you build, you know. For when time people want looking for a builder, looking how good your work is, you know, how neat it is. So you have to keep photos of everything you build. So when you have that folder there, you can come and say, this is what I'm building now.
And you know, some of the time we definitely have to seek for work, you know, because I just see with the years so I work plenty people are pass and see it, so they just request. That's what I say.
No, I understand.
Sometimes by the time you leave here, so you could get all 5-6 different work before you leave here. So.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. But in a professional way, where you don't want like have your own business company. Sooner or later, you don't can't bother with the building. But you have somebody where always been on your wingman.
Well, life has changed, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, so as time go by.
So in the future, I'm going to keep you in mind, you know? So when time I'm ready for build.
I work in no land because I'm soon step out of it.
It's 2 steps, see?
Yeah.
So you try to catch you before you retire.
Yeah, man. The younger you them come up, you know, and then we just take up where we left off.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
You can't just, you know, it's so hard a while, you know. You have to return a little whole folk now. You have to get a breeze.
A breeze,
yeah.
You know? That's true.
Yeah. You gotta go do something else where you kind of did have a second interest in mind, you know? Yeah.
As we say, hopefully it's not too long, you know? Yeah, man, guys, I'm say I love this view, you know, and I love them work because they're the one that build the tree house, and as you can see, very good at what they do, you know, talented as well too, so hopefully it's not long, you know, in the future when time you're ready to start build something and a piece of land we can call my home, you know, Airbnb told, you know, we got future plans, you know, so that is it. Alright, my general, blessings and give thanks here for everything. So we're there, man. General, thanks. Well, guys, we got the African Empress.
Guess who that's? That is me. Okay guys, outfit of the day, dressed by yours truly, D Mwango. So this is one of my favorite type of shoe. I love it all the time. My favorite. So we're stepping out, guys, and my new necklace. I love it. Infinity. Yes. Out of 10, let me know what you think. So yeah, we're just stepping out, guys. Come along with us. We have a lot of errands to run, so come along with us.
Yeah, we have a lot of errands to run at this time. You know, ladies take how many hours? 10 hours to get ready, I think. 10 hours, guys. 10 hours. You know, when it's tough, we need to get done. Yeah, I even went to the river and come back. She's not ready. You know, I went to St. Anne's Bay Market and come back. She's still not ready.
No, I was washing my hair. Can you stop the light?
Yeah, I went to so much place. I went Ochi.
I was washing my hair because I need to go do my hair. I'm tired of wrapping it now. Guys, that's the reason as to why. So don't let Kino tell you otherwise.
No.
No. I took 5 minutes to get ready.
Yeah?
5 minutes and I'm out.
Look in the camera and said that.
I took 5 minutes. Guys.
5 minutes, you know.
5 minutes to get ready.
You're the best.
And I'm so happy right now. My skin is back to normal. Like the mosquitoes no longer bite me because now they know this is part of us. So, oh, for true, you went somewhere because the car wasn't parked like this.
Exactly. We went to the river.
Huh?
And after we leave the river, we went to the market.
Oh!
After the market,
I was cleaning the house, everything. So.
Me and Philip go so many places.
Huh?
Of course.
Look at that. Watcha.
She scared me. She see something and she frightened me. Pumpkin leaf. People going crazy for pumpkin leaf.
You saw it?
You said that pumpkin leaf is not
Of
ready
course.
yet. Yeah, man, but me and tell you, the river is nice. But we have to get the key from him because yeah, cause we'll take it from the back and they got a key where you can literally go
Open the gate.
Open the gate.
Whoa.
And you'll be surprised. You're gonna like, what? Is this round here all the time?
And I don't know
And
the
you
tingle.
don't know the tingle. You've been missing that.
Guys, I've just been relaxing, you know, like I've been really having a good time. So I think now that's the end of it. Now we're getting back to work.
Work.
Yeah,
you know,
as usual.
Once the ninja there work after the start back, you know. Okay, you know me say, look, you're Rasta man.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm another woman.
No, come on. You know, he can cheat on me.
That's look.
That's a lie.
That's another woman.
Greetings, my father.
That's another woman gone in the car. Look him. Oh, I go on.
Where you going, the boss?
Oh, go on. Yeah.
He's telling Rasta. He's telling me you're cheating on me.
No.
Never. Rastas don't cheat. Nice to see you, my father.
Rasta not cheat, no time at
Rasta
all.
not cheat.
Man, because
Never.
So I go on for me now.
yeah, what I go on for him now?
Remember me thing. Last I told something for me. Last I told something for me.
I'm coming back. Just
I'll tell
wait.
you what me I tell.
Eh? Oh, I'm saying if you're not sorting out anything for New Year.
You didn't tell her what me say.
But the
bring you
whipper.
something.
I was talking about the whipper.
You smoke weed?
No, whipper, waka. Remember the waka you was talking about?
Hey, Rasta, that's too expensive for me. Want me to sell my kidney?
What me?
You said too
It's
expensive for
only
her.
money. Can manage.
Yeah.
Honestly.
But you're gonna get back your money.
From where?
When I work it,
Oh, we not working.
You're gonna give me?
back your money.
I'll come and talk about that, but honestly, it's so expensive. It's like 150,000
No,
Jamaican.
not that one.
Which
What?
one?
20,000.
20,000?
Yeah, or True Valley.
Oh, you have a waka for 20,000?
Yeah,
20,000?
20,000, 23. I don't want to give you so expensive one.
Okay.
I'm not
So-
going over it.
So you're going for the cheap one?
Cheap one.
Okay. Also, how long will that last you for?
Can't last and you know have to know for work it.
Yeah, you
For
need to know how
pressure.
to work with it.
Only for pressure you.
No. You know, because the price that I was told was like,
not
whoa,
that one. That is
150.
the bigger dear one.
That's the
Uh-huh.
yeah.
That is still like one we use.
That's the one that he's using now.
That's too expensive for you. I'm not overdo it.
So you get a cheap one for her.
The cheap one.
Alright, I'll
So
come.
you-
We'll organize a day, then we go look for it. If
So you
it's
gotta
20,
bring, you
It
gotta
is-
bring me kush. You
No.
ask me if me smoke weed. You gotta bring me weed.
no, I don't want my Rasta to smoke so much. Look, we'll organize a day, then we go get it, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
From your
That
says,
price
from
not
your says
too
that
bad.
price?
That price.
Cause
Yeah.
an
You can buy it and bring it back, you know. True Valley in Ochi.
True Valley.
In Ochi.
rapid
Okay.
true value.
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Where should we organize a day?
Yeah.
And then we
Yeah.
go there.
Okay,
Yeah.
no problem.
Alright. Hopefully it's the same price.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, guys, because I just don't know, but because you guys love me, you support me so much, and he's just but a friend. There's nothing there like between us. You just make fun of it, and since he's a hardworking person, so I think for 20,000 Jamaican is not too much to bless somebody with. I believe the hand that gives is the hand that receives, but I thought it's like 150. That I couldn't manage, honestly. You know, sometimes it's good to tell people what you can manage and what you can manage. So I'll organize and get it for him.
For the one that he used, like the original one,
Yeah.
the better ones, is for that price, like 120,
Yeah.
100 and that. But him say, him work with a cheap one, you know?
Yeah.
So him have to know to work it, because normally them cheap ones don't last for long.
Yeah.
So as him say, him try not to pressure it.
Yeah.
He just want something.
Yeah, to keep him going.
Yeah, cause the one that he's working is called 120. But those are the good ones where you always drive past and see the guy
Yeah.
use it.
Yeah,
that's the original one. It can last you for long time.
Okay.
Oh, I should have taken the shortcut.
Yeah, why? Let's stand back.
Go to the shortcut.
Yeah, we could be at the front.
Already? Guys, need no shortcuts. It's
Yeah.
not that far though.
No, it's holy but traffic, you know. Let's just go back. We could have been forward already. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna organize and do that for him. To me, he's a friend. There's nothing else. So when I say my rasta, you guys, it's only that I love rastas so much. It's not like there's something, you know. So we're gonna do that. So guys, one more thing, I'm just supposed to go do my hair because no, it's getting out of order. You get too busy until you don't even have time to go and sit in the salon. Sometimes it makes me miss my short hair because honestly it saved so much of my time. But you guys, Kina told me with my short hair, do I tell them? I was looking like wanted. Like homeless wanted girl, you know. So now he says I look much more better. But honestly, I love it. I love my hair right now, and it's all grown. But because I'm a Rasta mama, we don't show off our hair just like that.
Rasta mama.
Dog, you know.
Rasta mama.
Mosquitoes have bite me already in your car.
The mosquito is not in the car.
Yeah.
Alright.
Every time,
I'm just laughing how you call Kira. Kira can go down.
Pick up yourself every time.
Yeah, the ones that
That's him real good.
Yeah, the ones that can't go that way,
Come back, alright, no more further.
Yeah.
Oh, never tell her.
Alright, my father, thank you.
Alright, pick up yourself.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Kina's trying to escape traffic and he's like, Kina, I can't go down, so I'm like, yo.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.